Binance is one of the world's largest and most influential cryptocurrency exchanges, renowned for its wide range of digital asset offerings, powerful trading features, and global reach. Launched in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, CZ, Binance quickly rose to prominence due to its high-performance engine, low trading fees, and user-centric approach. The platform supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, its native token, and many promising altcoins, giving users the flexibility to trade, invest, and diversify their portfolios efficiently. Binance offers a comprehensive suite of services beyond spot trading, such as futures trading, margin trading, staking, savings, and liquidity farming, making it a one-stop hub for both novice and professional crypto traders. Its intuitive interface, combined with advanced tools like real-time charting, API integrations, and TradingView compatibility, allows users to customize their trading experience to match their skill level. Moreover, Binance has built a solid reputation for its security protocols, which include two-factor authentication, 2FA, address whitelisting, cold wallet storage, and AI-driven risk control systems designed to protect user assets and maintain trust. The Binance Smart Chain, BSC, launched in 2020, further strengthened the ecosystem by enabling decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts, fueling the growth of DeFi, decentralized finance, and blockchain-based innovation. Additionally, Binance offers educational content through its Binance Academy, hosts community-driven initiatives, and provides tools for institutional investors via Binance Institutional. For users interested in passive income, features like Earn and Launch Pool offer various options to earn rewards by simply holding or staking tokens. Binance also supports fiat transactions, allowing users to buy crypto with bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and peer-to-peer P2P platforms in numerous currencies, bridging the gap between traditional finance and blockchain. With the Binance mobile app, users can trade on the go with the same efficiency and accessibility as the web platform, making crypto trading seamless across devices. Despite facing regulatory scrutiny in various countries, Binance continues to adapt by enhancing its compliance efforts, acquiring licenses, and building local partnerships. Its global customer support, multilingual interface, and commitment to innovation have solidified its position as a leader in the crypto space. Whether you're a day trader seeking advanced tools or a long-term investor looking to explore blockchain opportunities, Binance provides a robust and secure environment to navigate the evolving digital economy. Its continuous development and dedication to financial freedom align with the vision of decentralization, making Binance a cornerstone of the modern crypto revolution.